How to sign up as a member on BusOnlineTicket. Firstly, open your browser, enter BusOnlineTicket.com. Once you've reached BusOnlineTicket.com website, click the menu icon at the top right. Click Login/Sign Up. Method 1. Sign up with your mobile number, click Sign Up. Enter your country code and phone number. You will receive your OTP via SMS to verify phone number. Enter your OTP and click Verify OTP. Enter your full name, email, birthday, and password. Then click Sign Up. You will receive a verification email from BusOnlineTicket. Check your email and click the activation link to activate your account. Now, your account is successfully registered. You can make your booking now. Method 2. Register with your Facebook or Gmail account. If you want to sign up with your Facebook account, click the Facebook icon, enter your Facebook email address and password. Click Login, then click Continue. And you are good to go. For signing up with a Gmail account, click on the Google icon, and you have successfully signed up your BusOnlineTicket account with just one tap. After that, you will receive an email from us, and we will give you a default password for your account. Now, it's time to update your profile. If you are using Facebook and Gmail account to register, you have to update your profile and verify your phone number to enjoy our new user promotion. To complete your registration, click the menu icon, click My Account. Click this button and click Edit to add your account information. Add your mobile number and click Verify Phone. You will receive an OTP. Key in your OTP to verify your phone number. Then, edit your full name and date of birth. After all is done, click Update Profile. Mission completed. All set. Click on the menu Home button to back to the home page. You can now start making bookings and earn BOT miles on every purchase. We have a new member reward for you too. Don't forget to use our new user promo code when you make your first purchase. On top of that, we will send you a surprise birthday reward. So stay tuned. Have a safe journey. Book your bus ticket online now at BusOnlineTicket.com.